Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the All Things Fabulous bundle. So here's the card. I'm going to start with the stitched rectangle die. I used the largest one, and I used the subtle embossing folder to emboss it, so I've got some texture on here. I've already stamped and cut out the flowers. I used Flirty Flamingo and Real Red, so I'm just going to put dimensionals on those, as well as Granny Apple Green on all the leaves. I have a lot of leaves here, so I'm going to put dimensionals on all of those too. So I'm just going to add dimensionals on here and on this piece as well. And then we will stamp the sentiment on this. I'm just going to use my little embossing buddy and Versamark and embossing powder. None of these are sticky, right? Okay. And get my sentiment. Wishing you all things fabulous. And then I'm going to stamp that here on the end. And then I'll pour the powder on there. Okay, looks pretty good. And then I'm going to put that away. Close up the Versamark so I don't heat any of that up. And bring in my heat tool. And just melt the embossing powder, and we'll just kind of let that cool down a little bit while I add this to the card. So the All Things Fabulous bundle is a 3-step stamping stamp set. It comes with a guide to show you how to stamp the flowers and the other elements. And I will show you that after I put these flowers and leaves on. And you can check out my previous video where I stamped the flowers and elements, and I describe in detail how the stamping works. This card is kind of just to show you how to put things together. So I'm just going to add dimensionals to all of these leaves. Let's see, this one. I don't know if I'm going to use those two. We'll see. So I'm going to start with this one right here, tuck it under, and I stamped all the different leaves this time, so this card's going to be different. Put this over here, and then this one's going to go in the middle, and here. I want to tuck it in a little bit more. Tuck it in. So maybe I don't need the dimensional on this one. So I'm going to remove the dimensional. And adhesive. Just put some adhesive on instead, so I can tuck it in all the way here. And then I'll trim this off now. And add some dimensionals. Oh, I'm just going to add one to the end. So just add one to the end, and then add some adhesive to the rest of it because it's going to be laying over the flowers. And then we'll just place this on here, about like so. And then we've got our finished card. So I'm offering a class If you purchase the All Things Fabulous bundle, you will get the supplies to make 6 cards, 2 each of 3 designs. Here's the bundle, and the guide on the plastic piece that comes inside shows you flower 1 and 1A, 1B, 1C, and so forth, 2, 3, 4, and on. This one doesn't want to stick. This is the second time it's tried to escape. So I'm going to stick that on there. And it's also here. 1, 2, 3, this one, this flower, these 3, and then these 2 go together, and these 2 go together. And what's also fabulous about this bundle is there's dies to cut out everything. And I love that because most of the time you get dies that cut out just a few things, but this time you get dies that cut out everything, plus this extra die right here, which I love, which I've used in this card in another video that you'll see, and I've stamped, so you can watch this video to see how I stamped everything together. And then in this video you can see how I stamped some extra elements together too. So go to my website, use the hostess code, purchase the bundle, and you will get this class for free. So a couple of other extra cards that I made. Here's one that I made inspired by Elizabeth Price. Stamped the 3rd flower and some of the other elements, and then embossed the Tasteful Textures, I think it is, embossing folder. I thought it was really pretty. And then just a really simple card using flowers 1 and 2. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and learning about the All Things Fabulous bundle, and I hope you'll go to my website and check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.